Coyote and the Dogs. Folktale from Mexico. Coyote out on the prairie. Looks. Listens. Sniffs. Smells. Wonders. Looks. A cloud of dust. A cloud of dust across the plain. A cloud of dust across the plain. What does it mean? Coyote listens. Perks up his ears. Ooh, sounds like dogs. Way over there. Coyote remembers. Oh right. It's just last night. I saw those dogs sleeping. And I ate all their food. I guess they're coming after me. Uh-oh. He listened again. Whoa. He looked again. They're coming closer. He takes a sniff. Pee, you dog's all right. He looked down at his feet. He said, feet, you better run. You better run. You better run. So Coyote starts running. He runs. And he listens. And he looks back over his shoulder. He can see those teeth. Those angry dogs. And he smells. Pee-you! And he runs some more. Go, legs, go. Over the hills and over the arroyos, round the arroyos and over the hills. There he goes. And he listens. He looks. Chomp, he smells. Pee-you! Go, legs, go. And he sees a hole in the hill. Big enough for a coyote, but too small for those big dogs. And he jumps in the hole head first and goes on down in. Down into that hole. And the dogs are outside of the hole calling Coyote. Coyote smiles. Yes. Hello, dogs out there. It's Coyote in here. I enjoyed that meal last night. Yummy. You usually eat so well, and now I did too. Thank you very much. No, I'm not going to come out right now. I think I'll just stay in this little hole. You can't come in. Sorry. You're too big. Sorry. That's the way it goes. No, I can't come out right now. I'm just going to hang out in this hole. The dogs just kind of settle in next to the hole outside there. And Coyote settles inside that hole. But Coyote got bored. Now what am I going to do in this hole? What am I going to do? Rocks? I don't want to talk to rocks. No. Dirt? I'm not going to talk to dirt. Forget it. Oh, there's a little ant. I'm not going to talk to a little ant. What am I going to talk to? Hey, I'll talk to myself. That's the best. I'll talk to my body parts. Let me think. I'll start with my ears. Now, ears, tell me, please, what did you do for Coyote today? And the ears said, what did we do? We perked up and listened. We heard those dogs. That's what we did. And Coyote said, whoa, ears, you are fantastic. You can stay with the great Coyote forever. Now, eyes, what did you do for Coyote today? And the eyes said, what did we do? What did we do? We looked. We saw those dogs. We spotted those dogs. We let you know. That's right, you did. Eyes, you're so fine. Eyes, you're so fine. You can stay with Coyote forever. Well, Nose, what did you do? And the Nose said, well, it wasn't such a great job, but we helped you. We had to smell those dogs. P.U. We had to smell those dogs. P.U. That's okay. That's okay, Nose. You are very important to Coyote, and you can stay with me forever. Now, Legs, what did you do for the great Coyote today? What did we do? We ran. We ran. We made you safe. We jumped into this hole. Oh, yes, you certainly did. Oh, Lex, you could stay with Coyote forever. Where else? Whoa. Tail. Coyote didn't really want to talk to Tail, but he'd run out of everything else. Tail, let's see. What did you do for Coyote today, Tail, way back there? Well, the Tail had not really done much of anything one way or another, but it did not like to be spoken to the way Coyote was speaking to it. So the Tail answered, I slowed you down. I slowed you down. And I waved to the dogs and I said, bite, Coyote, bite, Coyote, bite, bite, bite. Bite, Coyote, bite, Coyote, bite, bite, bite. That's what I did, Coyote. You did? Tail. Oh, Tail, I'm so disappointed in you. Tail, you do not belong with Coyote anymore. Now leave my body right now. Tail, you did not leave. I said leave my body right now. Tail, you are making me really angry. I said leave now. Tail, if you do not leave now, I'm going to push you out of this hole. And that will be that for you. You know who's waiting out there? Those dogs. You will not like that. Now you leave. Tail, I told you. And Coyote started pushing his own tail, backing out of the hole. And as Coyote just said, and you know who was waiting out there. Oh! Coyote and the dogs. That's it.